from my own location. Yours might be morning or afternoon. So depending on your location, good evening to you all. So, oh, I have this to play here because I saw this and I say, things are happening. I don't know who is doing this to our people. Who is I can't understand. Who is doing this to our people? Who is doing this? They don't want they want to make Alaigbo unlivable for our people. Alaigbo, they want to make it unlivable. Then who is doing this to our people? Even after they have, will I call it, I don't know whether if I say kill for English now on the Facebook, yeah, they will block my this thing. Who is doing this to our people? This is so bad. Oh God, Chukwu okike biko nyekwanụ ụmụ Igbo aka. Good evening. Oh Chukwu okike biko nyekwanụ ụmụ Igbo aka. Oh ụmụ Igbo atagbuo onwe ha n'afọ. Igbo people are, they don't know who is doing this. Who is doing all this to us? Who is killing in Orlu? Who is doing this to them in Orlu? Hi. Whoa. It is bad. Oh, it's so bad that they are doing this to our people. It's so bad. What is going on? What is going on? Hey, let me play this audio so that you guys can listen with your own ears, so that you can listen with your own ears. What have you done? Leave us to go now. They won't let us go. All they do is I don't know who is doing this. Whether it's I don't know who is doing this to our people. But all I'm saying is that, what about those that says they are fighting for our freedom, for our people? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? So how come they are youth are the life of youth? Hey, I don't know whether to say, if I say kill, whether Facebook we block it. Hey, things they happen. Let me play so that you guys can listen. Let me play so you can listen here. Let me play. Oh,
No. We are with you and we are hearing you. Talk to us.
Okay. I came from Orlu to Saturday. Where they call Achasato. This Achasato contains Orlu, Udipi, Itore. My name is Kelechi. I came from Udipi there too. So I went to village last week. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you right on.
I went to village last week. The things that's happening in our village is very terrible. Some men will enter into the village wearing soldier clothes. They will pick our youth. They're picking our youth, killing our youth. We go to my village now. Videos are more than 500 now, of recent one now.
What do they say is the crime of those people?
The place I came from.
Yeah, what do they say is the crime of those people?
I don't know. The crime, I don't know. They will say, I don't know. They will say the Boko Haram, they will just come and say someone is fighting them. Yeah. Say, why are they saying that they are Biafrans or something? I don't know. There's no concrete something. They will just say, they will call somebody, they come and kill the person and kill the person. The worst side is, they will cut off the head and cut the body.
Yeah.
If you go there, you will identify your person.
Yeah.
You know that happens on Monday. The hunter in my village went to hunt in the night. That light that is shining on, that putting on top of their forehead, they said they can't the man, they tied the man. But this man, we did not see any person, but they just bury it. Even when we went and took the man, my God have already finished the man. There's someone living near the man today, took the man. Why? They said the man is bringing another ESN or is bringing bad people. They just said that they are charging their food in the man's shop. They took the man. Up to now, we have not seen the man. There's no big shop in my village as I'm speaking to you. Anybody that is selling something, there's no light. Maybe somebody will put in solar energy charging food for the villagers. They will come and pick the person that is in charging food for whether ESN or they're selling food for the cargo, they're selling food for non-government. We don't know. They will go and sell now. people will not come to China, they will come with this small chip of these soldiers.
So those people doing this, were you able to identify that they are real soldiers or?
People wear soldier clothes. Sometimes they come in that inside the market. The market are for market there. People will be running. People will be afraid. No activities, hungry every year. The boys are always inside bush. If they want to go out, they will be going inside the bush before they go out. They cannot go to the main town or no, so that they don't normally go to the main town. They don't normally go to the main town.
And they said it's happening in Imo State as we speak to us.
Orlu, there's a place they call Achosato. This Achosato contains Umu, the big story. People are dying. If there's somebody that is selling big guy, in this survive.
Okay. Do you people have a king? Do you people have a king in that community, like a king in that community?
The king never already run away. So even this last one, according to one of my brother, he said that when they're looking for that sort of cheese, they call the king said they should bring 300,000. So they said that so he's aware of what is happening here. Why should he make that comment that they should bring 300,000 to go and look for the person they took away?
This is serious.
There's no longer to be found. The king of my community is no more anywhere to be found since more than how many years now.
Is police station in your area still functioning?
What is that? I have left home now and I am not back where I'm living now.
No, the reason why I am asking, I have taken down the particular name of this village or a community you mentioned now, because first of all, we have to follow like the due process that we ought to follow. That is the protocol by contacting if there is any police station or division that controls around the area. It could be maybe Orlu, maybe the police station in Orlu. So maybe we can reach them this afternoon or this evening. That is the first step to start it. Just following normal protocol. So maybe they will tell us what is going on, so on and so forth. Thereafter, before we now know the actual thing, because normally there are allegations that some military men are picking people from the east and they will say they are IPOB and they will never hear from them again. They will never see them again. So what you are saying is even more than what they told us now, that they are even taking people cut off their heads. Doing all sort of things. That is why I was asking you.
Let me tell you something. If you're not in that direction, I think we're going to Orlu now. There's where they call Umu Chan.
Umu Chan.
Yes, I think they're going back to Saturn now. Go there now, you will see dead body without no head.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, you see dead body without no head now, as I'm talking to you now. But when people have been coming to look at that and see their president, there's no head. Identify it. Now that I've already finished the whole dead body there. Maybe how we can be able to get this something now is the head is still there and the cloth to know him which is still in his body. They tied him two hands at the back. Whether is it the force that killed him or whether they do any brutally pity into his body, we don't know. I'm telling the truth. People are dying day by day, hour by hour. When you see these people will be running. Before 4 o'clock, the village will be asleep there. Nobody will see. Nobody. People are dying. Widows are too much. In this community now.
And the people they are focusing is just men.
Men, yes, only the men. The youth. Just only people are saying that hopefully that just people are having a little bit mental something. Any reasonable young boy now. Most of them have run out from the village. The people that knows what is happening have run out from the village, take their wife for people. No shop to buy MTN 100 naira. You will go a long distance. Because if they saw that you are selling, they will say, so people are coming to your shop, they will come and pick the person. If they pick the person, no news, nothing is. The only thing you can see is dead body. You will just say, I go check with there's dead body there. You see that, is it your person?
Oh God.
All right.
I'm telling you, maybe if somebody is saying your head, I can be able to.
Yes. What?
When the person say, what I'm saying is not true or something, I'm telling you what I saw by eye. I'm burying this boy, this hunter. At the night of Tuesday, they still kind of burying him because maybe in the daytime, they may come after us. One went and picked the dead body. That's what even my brother, they killed him, which we did the burial early this year too. But as I went to village now, the killing is too much.
How long has this been? How long have it been as in all this killing?
How long have you been?
Yeah.
This has been more than almost since more than 2 years now.
More than 2 years.
Yes.
Because the reason why I'm asking you, there was a complaint like this some time ago where most of them came to Channel Television to tell them that what is going on in Imo State is because of political bitterness, that politicians are the one causing it and so on and so forth, something like that. I still have the video. But what you're explaining to us is totally above this. What you're explaining to us has nothing, for me, for my personal opinion, is not about people who are agitating for Biafra.
This is not political issue now. This one, all the politicians in the village, even the one I have, they say they are already run away. So this is people are thinking inside the village now, picking youth, killing youth. The one side is, okay, you kill the youth, leave the rest so that you can identify the person and go and bury. You are killed, fine. But one will go with the head of the person. One will go. In the village, you can't talk. If you want to talk, say, don't talk. If you don't know who is beside you. I call my people, say, what will you do? They say, what will I do now? That's what they answer me. So what will I do now? Say, if you don't, you will die. I should mind my business. So by the time we come back from December here, all of you will finish.
Hey.
All of you will finish. Let me tell you the only things that I can do now. I will talk to you later privately on WhatsApp. But the only things I can do personally is that, first of all, I will help to contact the House of Rep member. I know all these politicians, they know what is going on. Let us do it for doing sake. Not because the politicians don't know. If their hands is not in it, they know. If they are innocent, they know. So, but let us do it for doing sake. I am going to help to reach out to your House of Rep member and also the police that is controlling that area. But I don't know if police even still exist in those areas. Even police cannot enter. No, what we are saying that we have to get information. It's
and that place is shut down, as I'm telling you now. It's shut down.
So for me, I believe that these are terrorists. These people doing these things are terrorists, and something must be done about it. I believe they are terrorists, and because there is no human that will be able to be carrying out all these things. And the worst thing is that the mainstream media is not carrying it. We are not seeing all this. If not that you come to tell us about this now, it will be very hard for you to see who is talking about something like this. That is the problem.
They're not talking. If you talk, they will go after you. I say, this one I'm living, is this life? Is this like this I'm living, is this life? When my people are there,
that is the issue.
I went to the mortuary I went to prayer. See people lying. They say this one, they kill this one. Burning houses. They are burning the houses, burning the hotel. Even if they come to the hotel, even there are people that go surround the hotel with the people and burn them.
Serious.
I'm telling you, this one happened in Orlu now as I'm talking to you. They decide this I'm telling you. If people are still inside the hotel, they burn the hotel and the people inside the hotel. Nobody can identify anybody inside the hotel as I'm talking to you. The owner of the hotel is from Orlu.
Yeah.
Wow.
What
I
kind
am
of a
weak
problem
anyway.
is
This
this?
is so pathetic.
Hey.
This is so pathetic.
All
right.
Let them speak. Let them know that what I'm saying is lie. I'm telling you what I witnessed for this one week. and being in village for this area. I kind of, my mind is just like boiling. Because if you ask of this, you say you don't die. You ask of this, you say you don't die. So what is happening now? You people are just keeping quiet. You say when you talk, they will come and kick you. Don't talk. I say, who believe that? Don't talk.
Hey.
This is so unfortunate.
Hey.
This is
You
so...
cannot level youth in my village now as I'm talking to you. There is level youth. There is level youth that is doing well. Even selling something reasonable. All of them have run away from Napa or some Onitsha or some Lagos. So you just ordinary something. Just ordinary owners are doing small business in the day. Before 4 o'clock, everybody will go back to his house.
How did this start? How did this start? Do you know anything that happened before this thing started?
The only thing is the one thing is that I'm thinking is this because they are doing sit at home or they are saying if it belongs to Biafra, they will come and kill people. This one say if it belongs to the Bago session, they will come and kill you. Or if they are giving you are giving information to the Bago, they will come and the other people will come and kill you. If the Bible will say that you are giving information from them to our other session. Just like that. There is not only something that I can say. There is more. Only to be said, there's somebody that will be inside that to be pointing who to kill. And they try to find that person out. They try to find the person will wear mask and be inside that motor. Inside that their heroes.
Yay.
If they point the person is around, they will kill the person. And they will go and kill the person. They will kill the person. Maybe if they like, maybe they feel to sympathize with the person, they will leave the person head. If they don't want to speak, they will go away with the person's head. Yeah. You cannot carry somebody without head. See dead body every corner of the village there. If you go to a farm, that's what you will be seeing. You see dead body. Women that went to farm, they will even kill them. Women don't go farm again. Women don't go farm. All of them in the house.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. And the first step is for you to come to air to say it. Now, I know that I won't lie to you. I don't have power to do anything about stopping it. You understand? But the only thing I will promise you that I'm going to do, and I'm going to do is starting from this evening, is to make sure that this particular interview of yours, I am going to send it to the appropriate news medias. And a lot of things has been going on like this. And also, I think if I would be able to convince people representing like the House of Rep members, if I'm able to convince them, maybe for them to, I don't just know, because all these things, you don't even know whether politicians are the ones sponsoring it or so on and so forth. I don't know.
That place is too much. The bloodshed is too much for that village now.
All right, no problem. I'll give you feedback in the evening. Tomorrow morning, if I did not call you, you can call me. Let's follow this up and make sure that people will be aware of what is going on. I think that is what I will be able to do. Because when people, like what you are telling me, people don't know about it. You understand? So that is what I'm going to do to make sure. All right. No problem. I want you to stay strong, stay safe, and don't forget that you have a family. Tread with caution. All right. I'll get back to you in the evening. Thanks so much. All right. A lot has been happening. If we are talking about all these things, people will not understand what actually is going on. Come on. This is very bad. This is evil.
This is very bad, though. This is very, very bad. Who is doing this to our people? Who is committing this atrocity? And how can those that say they are fighting for freedom? Nneka Igbo, thank you for coming. Yeah. I don't understand. You ask a question here. You say, where is Simon Ekpa so-called Biafra Liberation Army? Are they only online shouting? I don't even know. And you also say, where is Chike Dozem DOS IPOP? I have no clue, my dear. I don't know. Where are they? What is happening? How can they hold people in the community everywhere? They are in Orlu. They say so many people are there. They have all run away. They have all run away. How can, who is doing this that they will kill them, permit our people and they will chop their head off, chop their head off, and take the head. Who is doing this kind of atrocity in Alaigbo? They have made Alaigbo to be a place that human being doesn't, they don't, that is killing is nothing anymore. Who is causing, who is doing this? And how come how come we have nobody? How come there is no longer anybody that is going to fight these people? Does it mean without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we are gone? Does it mean that without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that Alaigbo is gone? That is my question. So they look at the place in Orlu. These people really, there's something in that Orlu that these people are just after. There's something there that is a resources. There's a resources that they are just after. Why no? How can everywhere in Orlu everybody have disastered? Everybody have run away. You guys had the call of this guy. He said he went home and nobody is in their place. They have all run away. They have all run away from their land. Where are the people that they are shouting and saying we are protecting our people? Who are you protecting then? Which people are you protecting? If only Orlu you cannot protect Orlu, which other place are you going to protect in Alaigbo? If you cannot protect Orlu, which other place in Alaigbo will you be able to protect? Will you be able to defend? Which kind of why are we all making noise online? Because we are divided people. Our land, our people, no, but they say the youth, the worst part is that these people, they don't even know who is doing this to them. This one we say is a Bubagu, this one we say is this person, no, they have no clue. They will say it's like Nigeria. Who is doing this? Then why can't we defend our people? What is happening? Why can't they? Does it mean without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu our land is gone? Eh? Because if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is here, this kind of thing will never happen. If it's terrorists that is coming to terrorize our people, everybody is now saying, I want. So what is happening? I don't understand. Eh? We are just online fighting. We are online fighting each other, bombarding each other. But our land is our people are being killed. Ka flies. Na-ebepụsị isi ha. Unu anọrọ sị na unu na-asha azụ na feta freedom. Freedom nwakwanụ unu protect ya na ndị unu na-asị na unu na fight for na ya protect ha. Onye kwu okwu na-asị weta ya ka egbuo. Anya ha declare Biafra. Mana ndị ba ndị ọrụ enwezi ndị nọ n'ọrụ ha agbafuchana. Ka ezi Biafra na-edeclare whereas ndị ọrụ enwezi ndị nọ na ya. Onye pụtasị na ihe a na-eme like this na ọbụkọ na ya ghọtazikwa ka ijikwa ajụjụ asị na agwa ya ejikwa okwu. Kezi ihe na-eme na ndị nọ n'ọrụ agbafusichana n'ọrụ. A na-egbusizi ha echem because ihe njem ihe na ha ekwukwa dị si na because Simon Ekpa si n'onye nwa ka Biafra Liberation Army ya na-protect ndị be anyị because ndị US mụ amapụ ụmụ ka ha na-eme Chike dozie mụ na ndị otu ya, we don't know what they are doing. What is happening? How come ndị ọrụ agbafuchana be ha ndị ọrụ anọzi from Orlu now oye putakwa ndị ọzọ oye putakwa other people aka. Orlu is gone. Nwezi ndị na-anọ n'ozi na-anabe ha onye nke akatara obi na wee fụsị na ndị mmadụ onye ọha sị na ha yazi ekwu. They are not going to say anything. If they say, people will come after them. Nwezi na-ekwu okwu, they are all keeping quiet. Their land is gone. Nobody is there. What is happening? So without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are all finished. Ndị Igbo abụna. Ihe ọma unu na-apọint ụmụ nwaanyị aka. Ọ ihe unu dị mma ya pụta online na onye kwu na unu achọba ka unu esi negodu ka ndị ihe a na-ekwubu na Igbo bụ ike ka ezi ebe ndị Igbo nọ. Orlu wee na-agwụ. Akifunanu, onye ọbụla nwezi onye care, nobody cares. Olu their governor is even, are you sure he's not the one doing all these things? Because o nwere ihe ya na ndị Fulani ya eme, ha ya si ha mebe ihe a. My own annoyance na bụ eche na asị na enwere ndị ewepụtara na-ihe protect ndị Igbo na Biafra Liberation Army nwa na-ebezi ka ha, because ESN unu etisasị ana ha. ESN amazi nwezi eme ebe ha nọ. Simon Ekpas na no more ESN, no bụ nke ya bụ Biafra Liberation Army. Ngwakwanụ ndị Chike Dozie m kekwanụ nke unu na-eme, kezi ebe unu nọ. What is happening to our people? How come the Orlu is finished? They are all gone. Ebonye bụzi onye egburu ebiri isi. Gịnị ka ha jizi isi ndị ba ndị Igbo emezi? Gịnị ka ha ji isi ụmụ Igbo eme? Unu kọwakwana m amahọ. Onye abụzi onye egburu ebiri isi. Look at this guy, ka afọ ya ọsị ya bụ Okechukwu Henry Marcel. Ọsị he will be making a call. Look at ihe ọ bụghị ifere. He's going to be making a call to the house. What with those House of Assembly? What with those senators? What would they do? These are people that hated us. These are people that they don't care about our welfare. They don't care about our people welfare. If they like, if they like, let them have Busisu never Hachohima. Hachohima. Mana put fight freedom. Because men not fight freedom, the mother, the buyer, negusi anyhow. Where kezi freedom na fight is na ya gota ho. Une protect muzi ndị bone. Una na ask that someone about no I talk with na ekwu but me ekwu ya because me I'm not happy. No your head clear Biafra na Finland man Orlu is gone. It's Orlu up ndị Orlu back hanos. Ekas na they have run away from their homes. No youth in that place. Are you sure there's something in that Orlu that these people really want to capture? There's something there they really want. Are we going to let them take it? What is happening to Ndi Igbo? What is happening to Umu Igbo? What is going on? Can you put everywhere on capital now fight on your capital instead of you all to come together and unite to defend our land? Our land, our ancestors land our ancestors left for us. Now you guys are there making noise, talking rubbish. Our land is going to go. How can this happen? Did you hear what he's saying? This guy said, now he's in the mother kind of bepusi, hey, bepusi, only would the bepusia. Hey! Kawa! Chineke, gini ka ime. Ogini ku Ndị Igbo mere. Hey! Ewo! Ihe ha ma put na akọ ọkụkọ. Ihe ha afrum ka ha na ha threaten Matthias Ezak. Matthias Ezak na threaten ya because no si no mebe Jesus no no ya eme. Obunu na kpogodunu Jesus no n'ọnụ. Obunu bunu Jesus. Akuna obunu kwa Jesus ewetere unu ewetere. Matthias Ezak na akpọbusi Jesus kwa ewetere unu Jesus ewete. After other guy nke ndị Igbo na ha na-threaten the life ndị si na ha achọzi bụ Christian nekwa ndị ihe na-emezi na ala Igbo. Na-threaten na ha ya ewepụsị ndị mmadụ. Akwa ihe onye ụwa bụ ihe dị n'ụwa bụ choice. Ịhapụ na onye ka okpebe nke ọ chọrọ ikpe. Onye si na ọ chọzi bụ Christian ya egbu. Onye si na ọ chọzi bụ ọ na-aka ha si wee mee ndị ancestors anyị kwefu that thing ntinye wa elderly man ka o si wee si na ndị be anyị nwa m amakwa m na adịkwa m guilty o na ọ bụ na our elders na ha eso ha ijebe ụka na anyị ezenye ha nri anyị ha eze take care of them agụ egbu ha eweghaji force ka ha ji force them into accepting Christianity. So tell me, how come our land is like this now? Nobody, Mana Orlu has finished. So Orlu is no longer Igbo land. Orlu is not Igbo land, isn't it? Orlu is another land. Mama after Orlu, they will come to another land. They will come to another places, and they are going to another places to be committing this atrocity. Keka a whole village, a whole town, geji gbafusie, new youth gbafusie, nwezi ndị nọ onye ọbụla gbafusie. ana egbuo mmadụ bere onye ahụ isi. Unu asụ na fight freedom na mmadụ kwuo okwu na si ekwu na ya emechi ọnụ. Unu asụ na fight freedom a wute eziokwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu gwara unu that you cannot get freedom without fighting with truth and unu bụ ndị asị. Unu asị onye esi kwuo. So without Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, nobody, no, our land is gone. Alaigbo agwụgo. What is all this? What is going on here? Because does it mean that now, look at this guy now, instead of this guy to say, he's not saying he's going to call the senator, would they do anything? Would they do anything? Una agba na ndị nke Biafra Liberation Army Simon na ndị nọ na-akpọ afa niile a na ha na ha anụ na ndị n'ọlụ na ndị ọlụ na-ewere n'ọlụ ndị mmadụ agbafusa n'ọlụ. Ke na agwa m na Chikedozie m na ọ na ha anụ n'ọlụ na ndị mmadụ agbafucha anya ya. Kezi ndị na fight for unu gwa na ya amaghọ. Onye kwuo okwu na si ekwu na, onye jụ ajụjụ na si ajụ na, onye kwuo okwu na si eweta ka igbu mụ na ihe jikwaje egbube ndị niile na-egbusisi ụmụnne unu. N'ọzi onye si dịka ihe unu na-eme na ọ dị ha ọma, ọ na-asị onye si ya kwuo, onye si ya kwuo, onye osi ya kwuo. Mana enu na ana Biafra agụbana Alaigbo is not something, it's not unlivable for people. Kezi unu na-eme, kezi freedom na fight for na ya mahọ, kezi freedom na fight for na ya mahọ. Because I saw this thing, I was like, what is going on here? Unu na-agwa m na ndị na fight freedom na amahọ na ọlụ na ndị mmadụ abịa ozi na ya na ha agbafusicha na be ha. Na ha agbafusicha na be ha. Ndị Nigeria gọọmenti na-emekwa nke a, ha ya ejekwa bọọsụ jekwa mee the same thing, gbusisikwa ndị be anyị, ndị be anyị na-agbafusizi. Ebezi ka unu kezi onye na fight rizi. Unu akwe defend Alaigbo, unu ahịkwe defend Alaigbo, ndị na-claim, ndị na fight na na fight for freedom. Unu aya kwunwe defend Alaigbo because Maazị Nnamdi Kanu anọghị. Onye bụ onye anyị ji eme ọnụ anọghịzi. Unu aya kwuzi defend Alaigbo. Onye nọrọ nke na-aba niile nọrọ na online na-apasọ mba na-akọ nwe unu ọnụ. No unity. Tell me, how can you guys, if we cannot unite together, how will ndị Igbo get their freedom? No unity among you. No unity among you. What is going on? What is happening? Hey, ọkwa Chukwu na sọsọ Chineke mazi ka anyị esi wee nweta freedom a because amazi m sọsọ Chukwu biko bụrụkwa nke na Simon ya kpagi nwa je a na-akọ akụkọ na ndị Igbo na ọlụ ndị mmadụ agbafucha a na-egbu ndị mmadụ na-ebepụ isi iburu ọ na Simon anaghị anụ ya. Ị na-asị m here follow your prime minister. Is a prime minister, don't have any prime minister. Kwe na anụ enwe mgbe eji wee prime minister Alaigbo. Leave me alone biko ka akwụkwọ mokwu ihe chọrọ ikwu. Ọ bụrụ na enwe conscience na ndị mmadụ ka a na-egbusi ụmụnne ha, unu ama ihe na-eme unu n'isi. Kwe na anụ don't come here na-akọ m a na-akọ akụkọ dị important. Unu bụrụ dis je tie prime minister unu si ya biko na ndị ọlụ na a na-egbusisi ya na need help ya ebe a no nwe Biafra Liberation Army biko ya ayọ ka ayọrọ ya mara ihe ọ ya eme ya ji eme ka ndị ọlụ nwere onwe ha, ka ndị ọlụ dị free, ndị ọlụ agbafusichara na land ha. Ọ na-egbusisi ndị Igbo na-epepụsi ya isi. Ọ na ha anya nchochiri gị vidio ịnụghị ya na na-egbusisi ndị Igbo na-ebepụsi ha isi. Onye ndị na-eme ya ọkwụrụ na fight freedom n'ụnụ wee Biafra Liberation Army. Anyị nwere ndị ihe na anọzi ndị ihe na ya maazị n'ebe ọ nọ because etisasị anya Simons na otisasa ndị ihe oke ọ nwere ndị Biafra Liberation Army. Ọ sị na onye maka mma nchọtụ anaghị akpọzi ndị US because ndị amagha m ndị ka ha anaghị abịa sị anyị na nọ ha nye anyị freedom ọ na nke a mere ọ Simon ka anyị ma ya nwa je werekwa ndị Biafra Liberation Army ya jee fight ba ndị anụ n'ọlụ na-egbusi ndị be anyị amaghị ndị ha bụ ya jee fight ba ha because ndị nka ihe nke adịghị mma nke egbuo mmadụ eburu isi. Ebe ka ụdị nke a na-eme ndị be anyị ha na-aza afụ ndị be ha na-eni, ha na-aza afụ ebe ha nọ, ha na-agbafusizi ịgbakọta ọnụ na-egbufisi ndị be anyị. Anyhow, almost 500 and they go their family useless youth a na-anwụsịsị ha. Ị na-abịa hia na-akọ m mana ha ị na ha anụ ihe onye a na-ekwu na ntụ ochiri gị ya. Ị na ha anụ na this land na ọlụ community na ha agbafusicha na be ha. who's not fight freedom? Why he said ndahun bunde ESN, the Biafra Liberation Army, had to fight about these people because open I'll get mass in the canon. ESN will not let them, will not let these people do anything. Eh? They will not come to our land and be doing anything. Shut up. I'm not here to call anybody criminal. All I'm here to say, ha me ihe kwesịrị ime. Una enwetikwa access na am ihe ndị nzuzu ndị na-amaghị ihe na-ezugharị na-akọ rubbish. Eh? You are DSS criminal. Do you think I'm for DSS, DOS or anybody? Ịmaghị ihe na-amaghị sense. Anụ ọhịa ka unu niile bụ. Mụ na agwa unu anụ ọhịa. Ndị Igbo ụmụ nwoke unu, ndị Igbo ụmụ nwoke. Onwezi ihe unu dị mma. Onwe ihe unu chi. Onwe ihe unu chi unu bụ na online na-akpọgbu nwaanyị na-akpọkọsị ụmụ nwunye mmadụ na-achọ ndị nwunye mmadụ unu ya ala. Mana ihe unu kwesịrị ime asị ndị mmadụ asị ụmụ nwoke Igbo na ya eme ya. Keka ndị ọlụ sef yutu na ọlụ kụzi. Keka esi wede egbusisi ndị mmadụ like this ndị mmadụ agbafụchana be ha nọzi. Una soon na fight freedom. Only have farmers no declare kwa Biafra. Declare Biafra. Man no protect Igbo. What are you even declaring for? You know, you cannot protect your land. And you're declaring Biafra. Boosts everybody. Because in declare Biafra. And they boosts in the mud. They declare Biafra. One day boy now. And Igbo ya gozinu ono ha nia ke we make this Peter Okafo isi bo kwa geba he no na akoyeri ene ekwu okwu important na akọ rubbish dị n'ọnụ onye ka nna aju una sign as na chinas ha ndị DOS na onwe nke ha dị mwe ihe a no bo ama ihe a na-eme ama ihe a na-akọ ọ nne gị nna gị akwụna nne gị nna gị ụmụnne gị niile akwụna gị nwa akwụna anụ ọhịa. What is all this? What is going on? Look at this guy. It's not the one saying he's going to contact the senator. The senator won't have anything higher from the Igbo. I assume Nina Busisco. I said, George, had a good Nina. I assume Nina was to see about Hacharima, Eberhan Land Abuja General. Only no now so no Siano. Hacharima, ndị Fulani go he go mee ihe niile ya ka ọ na-asị na content ọ come on oya eme gị onye ka ọmụ ya akpọ onye ka ọmụ ya contact si bịa save ba ndị ọlụ onye ka ọmụ ya contact si bịa save ndị Biafra ụmụ Igbo negodunu onye ọbụla gbafuchana be ha na gịnị mere anyị Igbo abụ na anyị amaghị ebe ndị nke asị wee bịa. Then open ha go no ya emebo one day I said nda ha ya say hamba ni aba Igbo no ya aba take care our land or without Mazina can does it mean nobody can do it? What is going on here? You know no bunu na akoyeri no na akoyeri rubbish do no mu onye capital onye capital na akoyeri na gosi hu no go unite na ihe unite fight and food ya fight ana akoyeri na go do no mu mmadụ ka na egbusi ụmụ mmadụ ka na-egbusi ihe niile a nọ na-akọ rubbish a na-akọ ndị gbada nọ na ha enwezi di ha enwezi nna ha enwezi ụmụnne onye ọbụla na-anwụsị ha a na-egbutu ha na-ebipụ isi ka ọ n'ịnụ ya ntị ochiri gị ịnụ ya ndị evil obi ọjọọ. You guys are the ones you hate. You love your oppressors more than your liberators. You love your oppressors. All the mmadụ bụ ndị na-ezugharị onye unu bụ Jeff Gobadu set forward a na-ajụ ajụjụ na na-akụgheri. Look at all mmadụ ka a na-egbusi ụmụnne ya. Can you bring all the suggestion go ahead with unu wete because ihe abụ suggestion na wete bụ na ihe niile ahịa na-eme na Igbo bụ unu ndị na-akọs ya because unu ekwe unite together wee je fight be ndị iro unu ajụ na ha unite together unu ha ya anọkọta ọnụ na onye nke akwu okwu si bụ onye nke ame nka si mee nka onye nke ame unu ha unite together fight your freedom unu. How can you succeed if you can unite together? Until ndị Igbo unite together. Until ndị Igbo unite all together we mara find a solution to this problem. Unu can continue na just na ga circle by circle round and round kabani ya unu ya no na ga round and round ani Igbo ya akpụ nsogbu adịghọ akwa mụnụ ba ani Igbo ka anyị dị nọrọ n'ebe a anyị nụrụ ebe a ka anyị mụrụ n'ụba n'Igbo ị na-anụ anyị niile ka ndị Igbo ọkwụnụ na ana Igbo anụmanụ Igbo ọ ụmụnne anyị nọ n'Igbo ka ha niile ka anyị na-emere ebere if not what is going on ka ebe unu agaghị unite together ndị onye nka greed na envy onye unu ji greed envy onwe ihe ọzọ onye nke apụta sị na onye anwa bụ in charge na onye anwa ga-eme ya ka mekwana ya ọfụma ya eme ya ịchọrọ ime ya mee ya wel na eme ya ọfụma ka ife ihe ị na-eme ya eme onye pụta ọ na-aba ndị ana Igbo a na-etekisi ya ndị anyị amaghị ndị na-egbusisi ndị mmadụ who knows who is killing them nobody knows onye mgbe ndị na-egbu ha onye ama Chineke mebere abụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị unu ndị Igbo unu ejighị ụmụ nwaanyị kpọrọ ihe ndị Igbo unu ejighị nwaanyị unu na-eme na ụmụ nwoke nke unu kwuru ya eme mebe na ya ka anyị debe unu anya unu kwuru ụmụ nwoke Igbo si ụmụ nwaanyị enweghị unu ji nwa kpọrọ ụmụ nwaanyị bụ nke ụmụ nwaanyị bụ nka unu na-enede ụmụ nwaanyị unu anya unu mebe ya ka ife unu ụmụ nwaanyị na-azị apụtanụ mebe na ya ka ife unu ụmụ nwaanyị anabasị anụ inside si unu mebe unu fight ba every time unu ekwe respect ụmụ nwaanyị unu na-akụ ụmụ nwaanyị unu na-akụ onye ọbụla unu mebe ya ya sị unu mebe ka anyị na ozi nwasa mebe unu anya up to now nanụ ka ndị mmadụ eje na-egbu mmadụ ogbucha ha ya amaghị ndị na-egbu ha when nobody knows who is killing our people ogbucha ọ na-ebepụghị isi onebe ka nke a na-eme n'ala Igbo mmadụ gbuo mmadụ bụpụ isi jee were isi ya tufuo ya amaghị ha ji isi ndị Igbo eme gịnị ka ha ji isi ndị Igbo eme otu ọsọ Chineke ma ọ bụrụ na ihe ahụ na-akọ dị mma because na ọ bụ onye nke a na-akpọ Pita nwanne gị nwoke a ga-ebi ya isi ka ịgba ka o si adị na ndị mmadụ ka a na-eme ihe a ụmụ mmadụ ka a na-eme ya nne mmadụ ụmụ mmadụ ka a na-eme ya ndị nna a sị na ndị nozu na vileji bụ ndị agadi nwoke ndị yut dị na-agbafusichana n'ala Igbo kezi ndị ya nụrụ n'ọgụ hey ọ dịkwa egwu afụbekwa ha m I have never seen people like ndị Igbo. I have never seen people like ndị be anyị onye kwugide okwu jee n'ọrụ oge because ike ha gwụrụ mmadụ ikwucha ịgbasị nkịtị ọsọ ihe a Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ka ihe a okwu n'ọsọ Chukwu maka esi na freedom na because ihe ahụ na-eme amaghị m ka o esi wee dị we cannot even protect our land. The US cannot do. I don't even know. Nobody knows what they are doing there over there. Look at that. Orlu is gone. Orlu is gone. Cyber na bank here or see liberation and they can't even protect in the Orlu is gone. They are all running away everywhere. You see the case? Nane oh call a phone up na I ha would I open above see. Una ndị has I didn't above say. I didn't above say all the man which is in Canada. Fight ba no unu no ba no ogu baba no mba ko ba no unu okuko una no disi nike na na-emi ya unu na-emeti ya ụmụ nwoke anya nyere unu efe no ba akụ no su ya me unu bụ ụmụ nwoke unu oba ọnụ ya enwetara freedom nwetara na anyị ka anyị nebe unu n'anya what kind of people is this? What kind of people is in the Igbo? Come on, unite, they can unite. Come together and fight. Forget about whatever, anything. Kai aba an Igbo na Hasimba. Onye ka Simba na onye ha unite. Onye ka Simba na gehen. Onye jua ka you see somebody why will you must ask me a question? You are not doing it. It cannot be the way you want it. Why can't you do things? Why can't you make your ma? Can you make your milk cook ready? Have basic the mother Ruby Ajebe. Ha buru isi ha buru jebe ha na-egbusisi ha ụmụ Igbo ngwasị ụbanị ana nna anyị ha hapụtara unu ewere unu destroy China with so many evil unu destroy China unu anọ n'ebe ahụ destroy ya na anyị ha destroy bịa isi n'ike onwe ihe ọzọ m na-ekwu eplego m this ya unu na-ewekwa ya na-ewejere Simon ewejere ya unu ewekwa na-ewejere ndị US ọkwa ha na afịa because m enwe anọ m na US anọ m na Simon enwe ebe m nọ anọ m onwe m nke m fụ ha na nke m mma na ọ dịghọ mma apụta m kwuo okwu ya na ọ dịghọ mma ọ ihe mbụ anwa ada ka mbụ nwe ebe m nọ nwekwana na sport because ihe nke ahụ karịrị nkụ kama unu ga-achọ na everybody together ke ndị US nke m jụrụ ajụjụ ha sị m nwaanyị meji wee akpọba afa m na-asụba m apụọ m Simon Ekpa the same thing nwaanyị ife eji jụba ajụjụ nwaanyị ejiba ajụ akpọba afa m akpọpụ m nke mmadụ ya eme onye ifụchọ na isi na ịpụtara ka isiri ndị bụ ụmụnne gị fight freedom ka ama ma enweta freedom ka onye ọbụla dị transparent onye ọbụla na-ekwu eziokwu Maazị Sedit mebe na ihe unu na-eme ka m play Maazị voice ya ka m play unu ya ka unu na ya na ọ na ebe akụgheribe every time a na-akọwa n'akụkọ ndị anyị amaghị ndị na-egbusisi ndị nka anyị amaghị ebe ndị nke a sịkwa ọ bụla ndị Naijiria amị nwa ọ ọbụkwa nọ ndị Fulani onye ma na-egbusi ndị nụrụ na vileji agbafusichan ndị ọbụna ndị ebube agụ ụna fight wụ ha onwe ndị unu fight wụ nwe ha unu nọ online nọ na-anụkwụsị onye ọbụla ọgụ na-akọ onye ọbụla ọkụkọ na-akpọ onye ọbụla iyi na-akọ na-ekwu chenji unu na ya echenji mebe na ya ka anyị nọ n'ebe unu n'anya Alaigbo gwuo na onye ọbụla anụwa na-anụ ntị ọ maazị Nnamdị Kanụ kwuru ọ bụghị m gwara unu ya na-anụ ntị.
The reason why people are suffering is because there is no truth. People believe in lies. And when you're lying, you're doing so brazenly. Biafra will drive away all these news. IPOB and you're used to lying. When IPOB, you don't know what you're in. Your days are numbered. I hate liars. I can't stand them. I'm going to you. I cannot stand them. Go and search your conscience. You have to be of good conduct and you could get them. Everything in life works in perfect alignment with the will of nature. You cannot be a liar and be thief and kidnapper and you want Biafra to come. You are dreaming. If you're a liar, you're a thief, you're a kidnapper, you are somebody working without WhatsApp Fulani as a saboteur and informant. You want Biafra to come. You are making.
I don't care. If you like, listen to my own program. I don't care. My dog, what is it called? You, Isaac Success. You are my dog that is there calling everybody name, but you go there and listen to her. You are mad dog. You all those mad dog. Attack as soon attacking in a jeba and I am not happy because these are people in the mother now. On the mother now we have. Obu no bidu no ma na egbu ndị Igbo bupu onu bupu onye Igbo onu buru isi onye ajebe ebe na anụkwa ihe unu nwekwa conscience onye Igbo ka ya egbu bupu ya isi buru isi ajebe ebe ọ na-akọsị m na m nọ ebe a na-eme ịbịa here ịkọ rubbish I make it sort because I'm not this is not ihe abụọ mmadụ ka na-egbu ụmụ mmadụ ndị Igbo ka na-egbu ihe ụmụ Igbo ka na-egbu unu nwekwa conscience na ụmụnne unu ka na-egbusi ya why can't you all go and fight those people na-egbusisi ụmụnne unu because maazị Nnamdị Kanụ anọghị so maazị Nnamdị Kanụ anọghị so ka onye ọbụla anwụsịzi ya Chineke mere unu ebere I have nothing to say again.